I just want to say that I hate this strap and I found a way to fix it. Today was the first time I was flying DJI FPV in real world with these goggles. Of course, I was flying in stabilization mode and NS because I tried the DJI Flight Simulator in N mode only for 1 hour yet, and I show how I did in the end with some footage. The problem with this strap is that it's not very comfortable. This top part of it doesn't help at all. The strap itself is very thin and it doesn't hold goggles very well. What I'm going to do is I'm ordering this strap because it's wider and it's more like a traditional FPV style. I have read the reviews, people say it holds very good and it's much better than the stock one. I also filmed how I was lifting off with my drone in slow motion for TikTok also. And after that I had around 10 minutes or so of DJI FPV experience for the first time. I was thinking that I will be able to change the camera settings very easily, but when I took off I found that they are set on auto and I didn't know how to change them, so I'll be looking into that a bit later. But this is just my first footage, and in this series I am telling you about how I am learning FPV from zero to pro, and this whole playlist is dedicated to that. If you like that idea and want to see my progress, please subscribe to my channel and to this playlist. And actually, after flying for 1 hour in the simulator, I already wanted to go to M mode in real life and hold my finger on the pause button in case of accidents, but I decided to just see how it looks in the goggles themselves, because I never tried on FPV goggles in my life. That was the first time. Actually, the image was not that perfect, not that crispy as I was reading on the internet. Maybe people like it more versus analog FPV, but for me, the first timer, it was a bit dull. I don't know. Maybe I have to compare it to analog to see the difference. And here is a bit of the simulator footage. It's very terrible, so I'm not going to put a lot of it, just like a few seconds for you to see. It's really funny. I'm not used to controller at all, and I don't know anything about rates. I have changed them a bit to make them not that sensitive in the beginning when you are moving the sticks, but I think I have to play with them a bit more. I want to learn how to control FPV drone while in the standing position, and for that I want to buy the neck strap for this controller. Of course, you know that it connects here and goes around your neck. I think I'm going to try this one. It's got nice reviews and people say it's very comfortable and easy to use. Now click on this next video